What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Just recently we checked out MagBak's classic case and I figured, do you know what, this was good. The magnets weren't strong enough to hold up the Nomad base stand. I was like, do you know what, MagBak, send me the Elite case out. MagBak did just that, the Elite case. They also sent out two lots of accessories, red and the blue, to change up the style of the case, because the Elite you can change up the little loop at the back and the sides and the buttons, so they sent them out to me too. But same as the last unboxing experience, you have to take off this piece at the top. There we go. And then it's actually got a screen protector built into the box, so not only do you get your case or any accessories that you need, they also give you a screen protector inside here. Now, I haven't actually gone ahead and fitted one of these screen protectors before, but if that's something you'd like to see, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll make that video happen. I'll show you how to install the screen protector and what it's like. Inside the box you get the case, the screen protector. So there is the case. Screen protector accessories, alcohol pad, and of course that magnetic strip where you can place that anywhere you want. So you may have a wall in a garage or whatever that you work in and you want to slap your phone to it, leave it there, play music or whatever you want to do. So be sure to let me know if you do want to see that screen protector video and I'll make that happen, in case you want to see how to install it or if it's any good or not when you get your case. So let's jump in and see how much it weighs. So 62 grams just for the case alone. Before I slap the phone in, nice velvet microfiber inner lining, the back piece right here which you can take out to fit the new parts, and this plasticky piece at the bottom is for your stand at the back, which we'll talk about soon. But going ahead and slapping the phone into the case. Jesus, that's tough. Okay, so that's in there now. Let's push the finger pillow into the bottom, and then let's go ahead and slap the phone on, and we're now at 291 grams. Got a fair bit of heft to it, but it's all good. It is what we want to see after all, because at the end of the day, this is something that's going to protect your phone. So you get them nice camera rings on the back, which everyone absolutely adores. They prefer this over like the P-style cases, or like the other cases that we've got. I don't know where they are right now. We have got more cases somewhere else, but like where it's like cut out completely at the bottom. These are like the better cases, but then also with this one, you get finger loop. So you can put your finger through it, but obviously with the packs you can change the colour of it. So there's the finger loop at the back, and then you just push it back into place. And there we go. At the bottom right here, it's all nice and recessed. Your speaker is absolutely completely recessed. Then you got the finger pillow, which is going to protect your charge port and your microphone. Just slots in, and then you've got your finger pillow. So like your little finger sits underneath on that pillow and doesn't hurt you when you're like watching your phone in bed or whatever, but it just makes it a little bit better having that finger loop on the back. So you got your finger loop on the back, you got your finger pillow on the bottom, and when you're falling asleep and the phone normally hits you in the face, it's not going to happen. Unless your hand falls, then yeah, it's going to hit you. So let's check the buttons on the side. They look like the metal versions, so let's go ahead and nice and clicky, just what we're after. Then you got these grips on the side, but of course with the packs you can go ahead and swap them out. And you can change the colours completely on the side. You can change your finger pillow colour, and you can change your loop at the back to a different colour, so you can really adjust it to your style and what you'd want. But again, those cameras nice and recessed into them little housings right there, so you can go ahead and place it down and not have to worry. But then also on the front, it's got a cracking lip running all the way around. Now the good thing for this for me is I've got a screen protector on and it still covers in each corner and down the side. So you can go ahead and place your phone down like so. You may have also seen this on the bottom. This is a kickstand. So you can go ahead and set it down. You can watch your content. You can also stand it up and watch your TikToks, or just scroll, leave your phone at the side of your desk and not really worry about it. But this phone does have magnets in it. It does have MagSafe. I'm going to do MagSafe battery bank. It's on. It's charging. It's fire. Okay, so that came off. Let's bring in the Nomad base stand and let's try the magnets on this compared to the other one. So it's on. It's charging. It's same style magnet. It can't. It's what it's wanting to. It's definitely wanting to, but it just can't pick it up. It just can't do it. The magnets are strong, but they're not that strong. You can slap it to other metal objects though, because it has got the metal in it. So you can go ahead, any metal objects that you've got, you can literally slap it on and walk away, which is quite good too. But yeah, so there it is. There is the MagBak Elite case. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've picked this up or you're going to pick it up. I'll leave my link down below. It'll be my affiliate link. It won't cost you guys any extra. It'll actually give you the discount on it. So if you want to order this one, or you want to go with the classic, then you can order either one of these two. And yeah, you get a bit of discount on it using my affiliate link down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to MagBak for sending these out for me to check out. And let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd go for in the comment section down below, classic or elite. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn those notifications on so you don't miss future uploads. We've got a full S25 Ultra playlist going, and there's still a few more videos still to come. So make sure you stay tuned. But I'll catch you in the next one. See you all soon.